Just give me one moment. So what we do, we do a supply chain. I will give you a data set with supply chain, and what do you guys do? Uh, Based on we did today, or few days ago. Okay, you guys try to build some story.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
you guys build some. You guys try to do some stories. So I will share you the data set of uh, share you the data set of what should I give you the data set. Let us try the this thing. Uh, let me give you a sales of this thing, e-commerce. Okay, let me
Okay.
give you some e-commerce data set where it is. Just give me a moment. Yeah. So are you guys up for Python as well?
Yes, yes, yes.
Do you want to learn
Like, okay,
like a Python data analysis with Python?
yeah, of course we have to do, right? I mean, further, or you are asking to start it now, sir?
No, 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 not started now. I'm asking how about like what your thoughts like?
No, no, no. We have to learn, sir. I have to learn.
Mhm.
I have to learn.
You have to learn.
Yeah.
Okay, that's very good to hear. Why I'm saying this because it will give you an added advantage.
Mm-hmm.
Knowing Python will give you an added advantage. And have you guys saw recent studies that people are seeing
Regarding, sir?
regarding the job landscape?
Yeah, somewhere like they are asking even Python some positions. What I'm seeing in Naukri and LinkedIn.
See what is happening. Just the I'm sharing the data. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So what is happening? People are now giving. They are trying to give more a salary to the persons who knows how
The
to
code.
do some how who knows analytics, or they are into AI.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, AI is a very long journey
Mm-hmm.
from the position that you are having, but it's not that hard work. It is achievable. Okay,
Okay.
so let me share my screen. It is achievable, and people, companies, they will offer you tremendous amount of job hike
Uh-huh.
if you know some coding or some AI related work.
Oh, oh. कितने like for AI, how many things do we need to know, Saurabh? Like machine
For
learning,
AI,
deep
you need to
learning,
know too many things.
deep learning, Kafka, and
What is Kafka?
I don't know, Saurabh. I was just going through that.
Kafka actually
हाँ,
used for Java, na?
नहीं नहीं जॉनी, इसी में यूज हो रहा है वो भी। एग्जैक्टली
See,
तो मेरे को भी पता
see,
नहीं सर।
many companies use many things,
हाँ,
but the thing that you that will give you an added advantage, that is knowing cloud.
क्लाउड।
So that is a different story altogether. Cloud, okay? Cloud is a different story altogether.
Apache and
अपाचे
then
एंड काफका या no different, there are some organizations using Apache,
Kafka, you are saying you are asking about the big data.
yeah,
correct, correct, correct.
yes sir,
So that is different. Of Kafka, Hive, many things are there.
Hive,
Hive, yes,
Spark, Spark,
Spark,
Scala.
MongoDB. These are different scenario, different paths. So let us not delve into this. Let us first build
do
our
Power BI.
overview.
Okay, sure,
Okay.
yeah,
So now, in overview, what are the things that we want to give? We want to build some overview, one thing we are giving here. So my left hand side is the overview of uh, my map. So where are the things are going? Okay. So the red dots are the places where we are seeing some late deliveries, and the green dot are the things where we seeing some positive deliveries. Okay. Now we want to give some legends. Legend is off here actually. So we can give some scenario, because if you see here, a person who does not know anything about this, okay, a person who do not know anything about this, how can he make it out, like what is my view is representing, that thing, who gives us that thing gives us the legends. So here legends we cannot show here. If you click over here, legends are not seeing, we cannot see the legends. Okay. Now what can we do? Now what can we do? We can give a legend over here. Okay. How we can give the legend over here? So we know that let me give you your first introduction to DAX today. So this is our difference in delivery. This is our difference in delivery, correct?
Yeah.
Now there are, so see the main reason here. If you see negative, that means what? Difference in delivery is, it's what? It's the actual delivery date minus what? Scheduled delivery date,
Hmm.
correct?
Yeah.
It is the actual delivery date minus scheduled delivery date. Now, if your actual delivery date is before scheduled delivery date, then you will have minus value, correct?
Yes.
And if you have positive delivery date, that means if you have this numbers, that means what? That means my delivery is getting late,
Absolutely.
correct?
Yeah.
And if we have zero, that means what? That means we don't have any difference in delivery. They are giving me the exact delivery on the scheduled date, correct?
On time.
All time. Now, can we say now that we have three scenario?
Yes.
One is late delivery, one is advanced delivery,
And
and
one
one
one is
is
on time delivery.
on time delivery, correct?
Yeah.
Now get me this. Now we want to create a calculated column. We want to create a calculated column. Now how to create a calculated column? From here we can create a calculated column here. If you click new column, it will give us calculated column, or else we can just right clear here in the more option and create a calculated column. Now once we do this calculated column, okay, this is our formula. We will write some formula. You guys know if else formula?
Which formula?
If formula in Excel.
Yes, sir. If formula is.
If formula is there, right?
Yeah.
Johnny, I'm not hearing a positive thing.
Yeah, so I actually like forgot sort of.
Okay,
I
okay.
think.
No worries, no worries. We will cover that also. So, just first I will write the formula. And do you know IFS formula? IFS.
Again, the same answer from me.
Okay, okay. No issues, no issues. If formula is something different, IFS also formula is something different. So, just get this. If now after if there comes a logical test. Logical test means what? I will give you one scenario. If Johnny is if Johnny is 2 centimeters, uh, if Johnny has 2 centimeters more height than Ismail, then Johnny is taller. Correct?
Yes.
Else Johnny is smaller. Correct?
Yeah.
It is very simple. If if you are waking up at 6 o'clock, then you are early early bird. Correct. But if you are waking up at 10 o'clock in the morning, you are a late bird. Correct.
Yeah.
If Johnny eats chicken, then he is a non-vegetarian. Else he is a vegetarian.
Correct.
Correct. So here you can see that with using if, I am trying to give you guys or give someone else or give me or give you a a certain category. There is two category: vegetarian, non-vegetarian. Correct.
Yeah.
And there is another category, that is vegetarian. You know what is vegetarian, guys? Hello. Hello.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir.
Johnny, I'm asking this from you because if else formula you have some issue, or you don't know it yet. So
For 1 minute, I was I think talking on mute.
okay,
So
yeah,
so you actually said vegetarian. So
yes.
I actually don't know sort of.
Vegetarian is the person who do not have chicken, fish,
Okay.
anything else, but he
Okay.
will have egg.
Okay.
Okay, that is
Okay.
vegetarian.
Okay.
So let us try to fit you into a category.
Sure.
Okay, how should I fit you into category? If Johnny eats chicken, then he is a non-vegetarian,
Right.
else he is a vegetarian, else he is a vegetarian. Correct?
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Based on what we are deciding on what we are deciding it on eating chicken. Correct?
Correct.
Now here we can get another thing, that if Johnny eats chicken, is non-vegetarian. Okay, again I will
Yes. Yes.
say, if Johnny eats egg, then he's vegetarian, else he's vegetarian. Now here
Correct.
why we are getting two time if, because if only gives you two result. One is either you are a non-vegetarian or you are vegetarian. But here we are having three argument. Correct? Non-veg, egg, and veg.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So for three numbers of argument, we will bring two time if. For four numbers of argument, we will bring three time if. For 100 numbers of argument, we will bring 99 times of if. Correct?
Correct. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
now I will try to give a if else in delivery date. We are trying to get the thing as of we are trying to categorize our delivery date into what, into three category.
Yeah.
Now how to do that? First of all, I will write if. Correct, no problem here. Then
Mm.
I will on my keyboard, I will press tab button, tab.
Yes. Yes, sir.
सर
I
वन
will give.
मिनट सर.
Yes, yes, tell
ये
me.
कहाँ पे लिख रहे हैं आप? कौन सा पेज है? मतलब
Okay,
हाउ यू आर
okay,
एंटरिंग द
okay, okay,
फॉर्मूला?
okay, okay, okay.
ओके.
So this is your first introduction into DAX,
यस.
data analysis expression.
एक्सप्रेशन. ओके.
Okay, with the help of DAX, we can create a column.
हम्म.
Previously, how did we create a column? We
इन
create,
ट्रांसफॉर्म या
yes, we
इंसर्ट
create it
और
here. Correct.
और कैरियर्स.
Yes, we create a column here. How to do? How we create? We create a conditional column.
कॉलम या.
Correct.
यस. यस. ऐड
And
कंडीशंस एंड वी यूज टू
yes,
ऐड.
and if you see, conditional column also have if.
इफ. यस.
Correct. So
यस.
Yeah.
same thing we will do over here. Same thing. And how to do this calculated column? This is called calculated column.
ओके.
How we will gather calculated column? First of all, we can get it from here, new column, or
Mm-hmm.
else we can right click over here, and can you see new measure, new column, new
हम्म.
quick measure, refresh data, many things are there.
यस.
Now I will click on new column. After getting new column, basically my here, the above ribbon, a certain thing appears. By default, the name will be column, but we can give our own convention. Okay.
Okay.
Now, how can we give the calculated column, and we can expand this? So for your guys' convenience, I have expanded this.
How we can
Okay,
expand? Okay. No, that will.
from here.
Got it. Okay.
गॉट इट सर.
Now let me write a formula. It is visible, right?
Yes. Yes. Sir.
यस सर. गो
Now
अहेड.
in the formula we are writing the conditional column, calculated column. Based we are trying to we are trying to get our the data, or trying to give our difference in delivery into some categories, and that this is a general purpose. We always try to categorize our data, or this is in in the part of data analysis or data analytics, this is a convention that we will be using from now on, and it will give you an idea like how we are doing it. First of all, I will give if. Okay.
Yeah.
And after writing if, we will select what? We will select tab. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, if you see, logical test is giving us the first logical test. Now, what will be my logical test? My logical test will be based on my difference in delivery, correct?
Yeah.
So what I write, I will try to write the column name. So how to do that? The diff. See here it is coming as in delivery history. See difference in delivery. Got it? How I get it? I will get it simple if I write diff. Automatically, can you see the symbol here?
Mm.
This is the symbol of uh, data set, and in the data set of the column. This is the symbol of data set column. Okay. After it is coming here, I will click on tab. I will click on what? Tab.
Damn.
Or I will directly I will directly click on the click on over here. I will click on it. Now it has come.
Mm.
Now if difference in delivery less than zero, लेस देन जीरो क्या होता है भाई?
Late delivery.
Late delivery. That means what?
Negative.
Less than zero means what? My
Late
negative value.
delivery. Yeah. Late delivery.
I will write it as late delivery. Whatever text or textual data that we try to write in any language, we will give these colon marks. Correct.
Quotation. Yes.
Now, after writing this, results if true. Okay. Now, if I click on comma, what it comes? Result if false.
False.
अगर लेट डिलीवरी नहीं हुआ तो क्या? हमारे पास और भी दो कारण है, राइट?
Yes. On
एंड
time
व्हाट आई
delivery and advanced delivery.
यस ऑन टाइम डिलीवरी, एडवांस डिलीवरी. Then what I will write? I will again invoke one if. I did tell you guys that for three argument we will bring two time
Two
if,
ifs. Yes.
correct?
Yeah.
So again I will come bring in this if. देखो, this is under one already it is under one bracket. Under this bracket only I am continuing the if formula. Okay. If again I will copy this. If same मेरा अगर difference in delivery, now what will be the formula? Equal to 0, correct? Comma, if results if true, then on time delivery. Result if false, late delivery. Sorry. मैंने ब्रैकेट बंद किया. सी दिस ब्रैकेट इज कमिंग हियर. ये बंद हुआ, ये बंद नहीं हुआ. ये फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट बंद नहीं हुआ. देन अगेन आई विल गिव अनदर ब्रैकेट. Now my bracket has been completed. Now what I will do?
Saurabh, I have a question here.
Just,
Um,
okay, okay. Just let
so
me finish this. Okay,
yeah,
just
sure,
let
sure,
me finish.
sure.
Uh, Dailies delivery legend. Okay. After completing this, I will click on enter. Now tell me.
So you said na, if it
Mhm.
is true, then on time till delivery, or like if it is false, late delivery.
Hmm.
So if it is true or false, like what we have to write over here? We have to write as zero, or how is it? I'm not getting.
Okay. I didn't understand your question. You can ask me in Hindi or any other preferred language you want. Just tell me.
तो मैंने मतलब ये बोला कि
Mm-hmm.
आपने अभी बताया ना कि ये
Uh-huh.
अगर ट्रू है तो ऑन ऑन टाइम डिलीवरी है, और अगर फॉल्स है तो लेट डेट डिलीवरी है। तो वो
करेक्ट।
हम लोगों को मतलब हाँ, कहाँ से अंडरस्टैंडिंग होगा?
कहाँ से अंडरस्टैंडिंग होगा कि कौन सा
हाँ,
ऑन टाइम डिलीवरी है और कौन सा लेट डिलीवरी? करेक्ट।
करेक्ट। कौन सा ट्रू है, कौन सा फॉल्स फॉल्स है?
देखो, आप ऑलरेडी तो हम लोग बता रहे हैं ना कि यहाँ पे इफ
अच्छा,
ये पूरा नाम क्या है?
समझ गया।
ये यहाँ पे पूरा नाम क्या है? ये जो नाम है
हाँ,
यहाँ तक, डेटा सेट।
हाँ,
ये डेटा सेट, ये डेटा सेट क्या है? ये डेटा सेट तो दिस इज जस्ट डेटा सेट ऑफ, ये डेटा सेट क्या क्या चीज का है? ये तो ये डेटा सेट का नाम है। करेक्ट।
हाँ, हाँ,
कैन यू सी SCMS डिलीवरी हिस्ट्री डेटा सेट? इसके
हाँ,
अंदर
हाँ,
में तो बहुत सारे कॉलम्स है। दीज आर ऑल कॉलम्स।
हाँ,
करेक्ट। तो ये देखो यहाँ पे डिफ अंडरस्कोर डिलीवरी, ये कौन सा है? ये वाला है।
यस।
करेक्ट। तो
हम्म,
हम लोग को तुम खुद बताओ जॉनी, हम लोग को कैसे मालूम चलेगा कि कौन सा लेट है, कौन सा ऑन टाइम है और कौन सा ये एडवांस है?
हाँ, राइट राइट।
वो
अच्छा,
किसके
तो
ऊपर वो हम लोग को कैसे मालूम चलेगा?
राइट, तो
बताओ
अब
बताओ
अभी
भाई।
मेरे को, अब अभी 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 ये मेरे को कैसे कैसे अंडरस्टैंडिंग हुआ कि हम लोग ईप यूज कर रहे हैं। इस
हाँ
इसके
हाँ।
हम लोग मतलब जो भी दे रहे हैं ऑन टाइम डिलीवरी और लेट डिलीवरी, सो वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट कौन सा ट्रू है, कौन सा फॉल्स है। करेक्ट।
करेक्ट। कौन सा फॉल्स है, कौन सा ट्रू है? देखो, हमारे पास डेटा है, ठीक है? तुम पहले,
हाँ,
हम लोग डेटा को समझते हैं, ठीक है? देखो, हमारे पास जो डेटा है, डेटा में नेगेटिव है। नेगेटिव साइन क्या रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है?
हाँ, मतलब जो डिलीवरी के ऑन मतलब पहले पहले ही मतलब दे दिया है।
करेक्ट।
हाँ,
नेगेटिव 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 लेस देन जीरो, जीरो से ही होता है। करेक्ट।
हाँ, करेक्ट करेक्ट
नेगेटिव मतलब लेस देन जीरो से होता है।
करेक्ट करेक्ट।
और पॉजिटिव मतलब जीरो के ऊपर में होता है। करेक्ट। तो
यस सर।
हम लोग डिफरेंस इन डिलीवरी कैसे निकाल रहे हैं? हम लोग निकाल रहे हैं कि देखो भाई, डिफरेंस इन डिलीवरी कैसे आएगा? तुमने मुझे प्रॉमिस किया था, मैं तुम्हारे को डेट मतलब कुरियर पहुंचाऊंगा कब? 14 तारीख को सपोज। ठीक है? मैंने
हाँ,
अमेजोन से मंगाया एंड माई स्केड्यूल डिलीवरी डेट इज 14। करेक्ट। नाउ
ओके।
उन्होंने क्या किया? उन्होंने मुझे कल ही डिलीवरी दे दिया, 7 तारीख को, ऑन संडे itself. Then what can I say, result?
माइनस
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 कितना?
सौ सौ
सात।
सौ एंड सौ डेज, हाँ।
यस, माइनस
माइनस सेवन।
7। 7 - 14, -7। अगर उन्होंने मुझे डिलीवरी अगर 14 तारीख को देते तो क्या होता? 14 - 14, 0।
जीरो।
और अगर वो लोग अगर 21 तारीख को देते तो क्या होता? 21
सेवन।
- 14,
सेवन।
7, +7। राइट।
या।
तो ऐसे ही हम लोग ने क्या किया? हम लोग को तो कैटेगराइज करना है। क्यों कैटेगराइज करना है? क्योंकि यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे अगर तुमको अगर बता दो, बताओ ये रेड और ग्रीन क्या क्या समझा रहे हैं हम लोग को?
कि इसमें से लेट डिलीवरी कितना है, और मतलब जो मतलब डिलीवरी से पहले ही दिया दिया कितना कंट्रीज है।
करेक्ट। वो तो तुमको मालूम है क्योंकि तुम डेटा के साथ काम कर रहे हो,
करेक्ट, हाँ।
है ना? ये अगर कोई दूसरे जन को बता दे तो वो तो बोल भाई ये लाल नील पीला हरा क्या है, मेरे को कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, वो बताएगा,
हम्म,
है ना?
या
और यहाँ पे हमको मालूम है कि दिस दिस रेड दिस ग्रीन मीन्स इट इज मतलब एडवांस
पॉजिटिव।
डिलीवरी, और ये रेड मतलब ये लेट डिलीवरी है।
लेट डिलीवरी, हाँ।
ठीक है, तो
हाँ।
हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, हम लोग यही चीज को और अच्छे से बनाएंगे। कैसे बनाएंगे? विद द हेल्प ऑफ लेजेंड्स।
लेजेंड्स, ओके।
विद द हेल्प ऑफ लेजेंड्स। लेजेंड
राइट।
क्यों देंगे? क्योंकि हम लोग समराइज करना चाह रहे हैं कि भाई लेट डिलीवरी में कितना कंट्री है, पॉजिटिव डिलीवरी में कितना कंट्री है, और ऑन टाइम में कितना है। सो उस
हाँ।
वजह से, फॉर दैट रीजन ओनली, वी आर ट्राइंग टू गेट दिस डेटा।
ओके, ओके।
वी आर ट्राइंग टू गेट दिस फॉर्मूला। ये
समझ।
फॉर्मूला ने मैंने क्या बताया था, हमारे पास कितने कैटेगरी है, हम लोग को कितना कैटेगरी करना है? 3 कैटेगरी।
3 कैटेगरी, हाँ।
हाउ मेनी टाइम्स वी हैव टू यूज इफ? 3 टाइम्स, सॉरी, टू
3 टाइम्स,
टाइम्स
ओके, 2 टाइम्स।
जितना जितना कैटेगरी होगा इफ एल्स में, वट एवर द कैटेगरीज और वट एवर द रिजल्ट और वट एवर द थिंग्स दैट यू आर ट्राइंग टू गेट, ऑलवेज वी हैव टू यूज इफ वन माइनस।
ओके, ओके, समझ गया।
Suppose you have 5 number of category and you want to build a DEX code
हाँ।
of 5 number, then what we have to do? We have to use if else.
डिफरेंस, ओके, ओके।
If else मतलब if this thing, पहला आर्गुमेंट देख लो। फर्स्ट आर्गुमेंट क्या हम लोग किसके ऊपर बेस्ड कर रहे हैं? डिफरेंस इन डिलीवरी के ऊपर बेस्ड कर रहे हैं, करेक्ट। पहला आर्गुमेंट क्या है? अगर ये 0 से कम हुआ तो मैंने क्या साइन दिया? लेस देन। If this column is less than 0, then what will be my category? Late delivery. Else, अभी ये तो हो गया ट्रू। फॉल्स में मैंने क्या डाला? फिर से इफ डाला, क्योंकि मुझे तो इफ डालना ही पड़ेगा, क्योंकि मुझे और भी 2 आर्गुमेंट लाने हैं ना। तो मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, इफ पहले क्या कर रहा हूँ, इफ में मैं इफ डाल के मैं कंडीशन दे रहा हूँ, कंडीशन दे के मैं रिजल्ट बता दे रहा हूँ पहले। अच्छा ठीक है,
अच्छा।
मेरा नेगेटिव है, तो मेरा अगर 0 से कम है, नेगेटिव है, तो मेरा हो जाएगा लेट डिलीवरी।
ओके, ओके।
उसके बाद कॉमा में आ जाता है इफ नॉट ट्रू। कॉमा में क्या जाता है? इफ नॉट ट्रू। इफ नॉट ट्रू में क्या करूंगा? मुझे तो फिर से तो लिखना पड़ेगा ना कि मुझे और एक कंडीशन देना है कि अगर इक्वल टू 0 हुआ तो क्या होगा, और वो मैं कंडीशन कैसे दूंगा? मैं फिर से इफ लाऊंगा। तुम एक इफ के अंदर में तुम 1000, 50, 10,000, 20,000 तुम इफ डाल सकते हो।
अच्छा।
हाँ, कहाँ पे डालोगे? नॉट ट्रू में डालेंगे हम लोग।
अच्छा।
देखो, फिर क्या करेंगे? फिर हम लोग क्या आर्गुमेंट देंगे? हम लोग आर्गुमेंट देंगे कि भैया अगर मेरा डिलीवरी अगर ऑन टाइम है मतलब 0 है, डिफरेंस इन डिलीवरी 0 मतलब ऑन टाइम में है, तो मैं क्या दूंगा? ऑन टाइम डिलीवरी दूंगा। इफ नॉट ट्रू में मैं क्या डालूंगा? तब मैं फिर से इफ नहीं डाल सकता, क्योंकि हमेशा याद रखो, इफ डालेंगे तो इफ में 2 आर्गुमेंट देने पड़ते हैं।
ओके।
तुम ये हो, नहीं तो वो हो। तो मैंने क्या किया? तुम ये हो, पहले आर्गुमेंट में क्या दिया? तुम ये हो तो ये हो, और ये
ओके।
नहीं हो तो फिर से मैं दो दो आर्गुमेंट डाल रहा हूँ। तो इसलिए ऑन टाइम डिलीवरी एल्स में डायरेक्ट लास्ट वाला रिजल्ट में बैठा दे रहा हूँ। लेट
ओके।
डिलीवरी लास्ट कैटेगरी से पहले और इफ डालने का जरूरत नहीं है। इसलिए मैंने बोला कि अगर 3 कैटेगरी है हमारे पास तो हम लोग 2 टाइम इफ लाएंगे, 3 टाइम नहीं लाएंगे।
समझ
हमेशा
गया।
1 - होगा, क्योंकि लास्ट में जो लास्ट वाला कैटेगरी होगा ना, वो डायरेक्ट कॉमा देके मैं बैठा दूंगा, बस काम खत्म। मेरा इधर ही काम फिनिश।
ओके।
तो चलो मैं तो चलो हम लोग अभी मैं ये हटा देता हूँ। अब तुम मुझे बताओ जॉनी, मैं लिखूंगा। बताओ इफ
इफ
किसके
देन।
ऊपर बेस्ड करेंगे? आप बिंदास बताओ, कोई घबराने का नहीं है यहाँ पे। किसके
नहीं,
ऊपर
जो
बेस्ड
मतलब
करके करेंगे?
लॉजिकल टेस्ट, जो अपना जो डेटा डेटा है,
हाँ हाँ,
वो वाला।
करेक्ट, डिफरेंस इन डिलीवरी।
difference in delivery.
मैं क्या करूंगा, DIFF
DIF
आ गया,
ब्रैकेट डालेंगे
डिफरेंस इन
तो
डिलीवरी।
ऑटोमेटिकली यू विल गेट इट। हाँ।
हाँ, तो अभी अभी मैं क्या करूंगा, पहला लॉजिक क्या होगा बताओ।
Parallel logic of get correct greater than zero, right? No, sorry.
नहीं, तू तुम्हारा मर्जी, तुम कैसे भी लिखो, इट्स अप टू
Okay.
यू। तुम ग्रेटर देन जीरो से स्टार्ट करो, लेस देन जीरो से स्टार्ट करो, इक्वल टू जीरो से स्टार्ट करो, ये तुम्हारा मर्जी भाई। यू आर द ओनर ऑफ योर ओन डेस्टिनी। टेल मी।
So we can start with less than zero.
या
Like, yeah.
श्योर, या करेंगे। बताओ, तुम बस बताओ, मैं डालते जाता हूँ।
Then we have to put on time delivery. No, sorry. We have to put late delivery here.
जीरो से कम हो रहा है, लेकिन लेस देन जीरो मतलब जीरो से कम है।
Zero से कम ना, okay.
जीरो से
So
कम है
it will
मतलब
be
क्या है, सोचो सोचो। जीरो से कम, जीरो मतलब क्या, हमारा ऑन टाइम डिलीवरी है। जीरो
on
से
time
कम
delivery.
मतलब क्या, नेगेटिव है।
Negative हाँ.
नेगेटिव में क्या लाएंगे हम लोग।
जो डिलीवरी से पहले ही हुआ.
करेक्ट, क्या लाएंगे, नाम बता दो, एडवांस डिलीवरी।
Advanced delivery, yes.
करेक्ट, डिलीवरी।
Then again we have to put if.
हाँ, अभी रिजल्ट इफ फॉल्स, हाँ फिर से इफ लाया हम लोग ने।
And then again we have to choose that like data SIM delivery history
यस,
data.
हाँ बोलो।
Then we have to put zero is equal to zero,
इक्वल टू जीरो,
comma. Then we have to put on time delivery
ऑन टाइम
delivery, comma.
डिलीवरी।
You have to comma. You have to put the late delivery. Then bracket close two times. It will parenthesis two times close.
क्लियर,
Mm-hmm.
अभी याद रहेगा।
Yeah, got it.
अभी अभी कभी भूलोगे तुम ये।
नहीं नहीं नहीं.
करेक्ट, तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, मैं एक बार तो सो लेट अस डू वन थिंग। एक बार मैं दिखाऊंगा डेक्स, फिर तुम लोग मुझे बताओगे। और जो
हाँ तो वो.
बताओगे ना, मैं जैसे बता रहा हूँ वैसे नहीं बताने का है, तो अपने से भी दिमाग लगा के कुछ अलग करके बताओगे मेरे को। ठीक है, तो हम लोग ने बना
यस.
दिया, तो लेट अस सी हाउ माय डेटा लुक्स लाइक। हम लोग को, क्योंकि देखो हमेशा वी हैव टू चेक वेदर माय कोड इज वर्किंग और नॉट। कैसे चेक करेंगे, वी हैव टू जस्ट चेक एडवांस डिलीवरी। एडवांस डिलीवरी में क्या आना चाहिए, एडवांस डिलीवरी में यहाँ पे नेगेटिव आना चाहिए। नेगेटिव है, लेट अस चेक। यस, नेगेटिव है। माय कोड इज वर्किंग वेरी फाइन। दिस इज योर फर्स्ट डेक्स कोड।
ओके. सो सर टैक्स में हम लोग ईप लगा लगा सकते हैं और मतलब सम भी लगा सकते हैं और मतलब कुछ
हाँ, सब लगा सकते हो।
लगा सकते हैं ना. अच्छा.
हाँ, डेक्स में बहुत सारे कोड कोड है, मतलब बहुत सारे एक्सप्रेशंस है। इफ ये एक एक्सप्रेशन है, जैसे वैसे ही सम एक एक्सप्रेशन है,
वी
सबमिट एक
लुकअप भी लगा सकते
एक्सप्रेशन
हैं
है।
ना. वी
यस,
लुकअप
वी लुकअप भी लगा सकते हो। ग्रेट, वी लुकअप, एक्स लुकअप, एच लुकअप, सब लगा सकते हो, क्योंकि पावर बीआई इज ए एक्सटेंशन ऑफ एक्सेल एज वेल। वहां पे तुम एक्सेल का सारा ही चीज यहाँ पे तुम कर सकते हो डेक्स में।
ओके गॉट
and
इट.
it will give more flexibility to you.
या बहुत स्पीड भी कर सकते हैं ना वहाँ पे हर चीज को, मतलब यहाँ पे सिर्फ ऐड कॉलम करके डायरेक्ट ऊपर में लिख के सब कुछ
बस
करना
बस
है।
बस बस यहाँ पे जो भी करना अपन लोग को पावर बीआई में ही करना है। एंड ऑलवेज, और इंटरव्यू में अगर कोई बोलेगा ना कि आप क्या करते हो, तो डायरेक्ट हम लोग को बोलना है कि वट एवर वी यूज टू डू द डेटा मैनिपुलेशन, वी यूज टू डू इन पावर बीआई और पावर क्वेरी इटसेल्फ। We don't do any manipulation in Excel, because we have to, everything has to be dynamic.
ओके.
ये इतना बोल दोगे ना, इंटरव्यूअर खुश हो जाएगा,
अच्छा।
बोलेंगे वाह बंदे को बहुत कुछ आता है बोले। ठीक है नाउ, और ये चीज मुझे मालूम नहीं था, मुझे एक्सेंचर में आके मालूम चला, सीरियसली टेलिंग यू गाइस। In Genpact we I used to do manually, but when I came into Accenture, so the project that we are doing, we are actually building a prototype. वो प्रोटोटाइप में मतलब सारा सब चीज रहेगा, एंड they are giving me, they are telling me that it has to be a dynamic. So
Dynamic in the sense how, sort of like.
dynamic in the sense that nothing you have to do, no manipulation you have to do manually in Excel
Okay. Okay.
or in PowerPoint. You have to go more and more
Mhm.
dynamic in the sense whatever you do you do in Power BI.
Mhm.
Power BI will do the manipulation itself and give you the result.
It is that. Okay.
Now I select the delivery legend and legend में डालते देखते क्या था। Oh wow,
क्या वो?
can you see?
कहाँ पे क्लिक किया आपने? देखा नहीं मैंने।
देखा नहीं?
नहीं।
ठीक है, अरे नजर मत हटाओ, बहुत कुछ हो जा रहा है पलक भर में। ठीक है,
अच्छा।
can you see this thing, right?
हाँ हाँ हाँ।
Now when I take the delivery legend into delivery legends into the legend, see what is happening.
ओके।
That means what? In Nigeria itself, something is on time.
हम्म।
देखो ऑन टाइम कितना आ रहा है, लेट टाइम कितना आ रहा है, ये कितना आ रहा है। Now I will do one thing. In legend, bubbles, category label, map setting, color. Let okay. This. I have got these colors. Now where is my category labels? Category labels नहीं. See zoom button. So we will not give zoom button. So this is the good place to see. ओके, सो हर जगह पे ही थोड़ा बहुत लेट डिलीवरी है, थोड़ा बहुत ऑटोमेटिक डिलीवरी है। जैसे नाइजीरिया में देयर आर सम लेट डिलीवरी एंड देयर इज आल्सो ऑनलाइन डिलीवरी। सो इफ यू सी ऑनलाइन डिलीवरी, online delivery here takes the majority portion. Now this will give us more, what can I say, more, can we say that this information is giving us more information, this view is giving us more information?
नो आई थिंक।
How?
आई थिंक it is showing complicated.
Complicated.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Now can you tell me why you are getting this complicated?
There are if you could see in the bubble, there in one bubble the different three colors are there. So
Correct.
how we can identify that country, uh, they gave like late day delivery or on time delivery or what?
Okay, how we can identify whether the country is having late delivery or on time delivery? Now, as evident from this view, suppose this is Nigeria, correct? In Nigeria, We are having in Nigeria. If you see Nigeria, but bubble, can we see that advanced delivery? There is advanced delivery, and there is on time delivery, and there is also late delivery.
Correct.
Correct.
Yeah.
So now, how do we know that what is advanced, what is normal?
Hmm.
If we hover over here, if I hover our mouse over here, now it is giving us a clear picture.
Okay. Okay.
But to make this more presentable, we can get the legend more. Suppose this is text type. Text is I will give 16. Can you see the above? Can you see above?
Correct. Yeah.
Position I will give the top center.
Uh.
Now to give it more good in nature. Advanced delivery. What shall we give? Advanced delivery. What color code shall we give?
Advanced delivery blue.
So we are getting this the color palette. This is the main thing, color palette. For on time, for late delivery, we will give red. Okay, what we have to see? Can you see this color?
Yes, sir.
These are the color code. Okay, if I click on this color, what is my late? In the more color, I will go and I will give this late delivery. Now on time delivery, what else? What I can use? I can use this green.
Mm.
Now for advanced delivery, what color can I use for advanced delivery? Let us select a tag green. Let us try this color.
How you are choosing it? I'm not getting like.
What? Tell me.
No, no. What are you like searching on Google? Like you. So how like we will be matching that color, and how we will know that what color should be good for this?
Okay. So you know what is red, what is green, right?
Yeah, red means like negative thing. We have to
Correct.
use red, and
Correct.
for green we have to use a positive thing.
Positive. Correct. So for the late delivery, I am using red. That is clear.
Mm-hmm.
Now for on-time delivery, I am using green. So here I am using. So here I am using. I have. There are many shades of green. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So can you say these are the gradient shades? Suppose for the on-time delivery, I am clicking this
Okay.
color code. I will
Okay.
if I select if I just click on it, my color code is getting copied,
Okay.
and I will click on this and paste it over here.
Oh, okay. Okay. So that only I was asking.
Okay.
So yeah.
So on-time delivery. Now for the advanced delivery, I will get the darker shade,
Mm. Mm. Now I
right?
understand. Yeah. So color code we are taking from there.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
So now, I can see the my advanced delivery, late delivery, on time delivery. Now in overview, we need to bring in something more. We need to bring in something more. Now what can we bring? So we can bring a
W.
trend. We can bring a trend, correct? Let us bring a trend, because trend is always in, trend looks good always in the uh, this side, this in the overview page. Okay.
Okay.
So trend, what trend can we show? We can show, let us see trend. When I say trend, always remember, trend is related to time.
Time, dynamic, yeah. Changing.
Yes, so let us check our time. Where is my time? So this is my scheduled delivery date. I will give it as date. See, this is stored as text, but I want this in date. Same. This is, I want this as date. Delivery recorded date. Same. I will take it as date. This is a very important thing that we have to do. We have to always uh, change date format. And see, schedule delivery date, how it is giving 08 September to 2007, right?
Yes.
Now I don't want to see which month, which year. I just wanted to see this short date. And when I click on this format here, see, there is a short date. I will just click on the short date. Similarly, I will do this short date. Similarly, I will do this short date. Now, let us try one thing. In x-axis, I will give the trend as the delivered to client date. How it is coming? Can you see year, quarter, month, day?
Hmm.
It is my Power BI is so intelligent. It can summarize everything by this four convention. And what I will try to get? I will try to get the line item value. Wow. So this is 0 to 10 million. Okay. Can we see in this trend line, my trends is getting bigger and bigger,
Hmm.
and there is also one negative.
Hmm.
Negative in the sense, there is spike in volume, and as well as there is not there is no spike in volume.
Hmm.
That means, do this have any trend? Let us check. So can you see this drill up, drill down?
Hmm.
So if I let us check what is drill down.
Coming down, I mean, reducing the time to years to quarters,
Okay, this is some line item by quarter, quarter, year, quarter, and month.
month.
See how it is moving. This is year. See, it is going up, 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 up. and I can get this. This is what? Quarter. Okay, this is the quarter. How quarter is working? Can you see? Quarter one and quarter four is the lowest, and quarter two and quarter three is the highest.
Mm.
Now, if we see by month, can you see the highest number is in October month?
Yes.
And if I say is the highest one,
Mm-hmm.
now let us check. Now let us see another thing. This is called area chart,
Okay.
and this is called line chart. Now,
Mm.
if I remove everything, this is my year-wise value. So it is coming from 2006, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Now, I am showing you one thing. If I select over here this advanced delivery in Nigeria, it will give us the Nigeria thing, how things are going in Nigeria. 2006, 8, there is nothing much. 5, 9 also nothing much. Suddenly spike in 10, again it come below, and again suddenly spike in 12, again it is come below, again this, even that. Okay, nice. It is showing nice values. Hmm. Now, if I click on the late delivery ones, late delivery it is not that much. This kind of interactivity, this kind of extra interactivity is giving it is due to this Power BI, right, guys? This kind of interactivity is only because of Power BI. So this is how a line chart should be there, and also we are now we will see one by one how my line chart is working. Okay. Now, can we see there is one behind, there is something is there. Can you see, guys?
What?
Behind there is something.
No, I don't see.
So this is my curve, right?
Uh-huh.
Can you see the corners?
Okay, okay, corners. Yeah, yeah, got it.
Because I have already this placed, right? So I
Uh.
need a structure. So I have already this place. Now, how to remove this corner?
Visuals and remove border.
Now here we can do one thing. In view, there is one thing called selection.
Okay.
Click on selection. It will give us many things. What are the visuals? How shape is there? Have you seen this in a PowerPoint?
नहीं, ये मेरे को ये तो सिलेक्शन आपको कहाँ से मिला सौरभ? Where you got this?
So in view, there is
Okay.
one thing is grid line.
हाँ.
ग्रिड लाइन देंगे तो क्या देखो पीछे में ग्रिड लाइन आ जा रहा है.
Okay. हाँ हाँ हाँ.
There is mobile layout, page view, actual size, fit to it, fit to page.
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा.
ठीक है.
हाँ
Now there is one bookmark.
हाँ.
ये बहुत एडवांस है, ये बाद में देखेंगे. There is one thing is selection.
हाँ हाँ.
See, this is the layer order.
Okay.
Now this thing, it is what? Sum of line item value. ये है. Now what is this thing? This thing is this. Acha. And how about this? These are the shape. Now let us check. This is the shape. If I select this and if I hide this visual, it has gone.
Okay.
Unhide, it is coming. Hide, unhide, hide, unhide. Correct? Now what I will do, I will select this and I will click on delete and I will unhide this. Clear? ये
डिलीट
selection
का
का
मतलब कहाँ से था ऑप्शन? डिलीट का?
डिलीट कीबोर्ड से तुम डिलीट कर सकते हो.
ओके ओके.
Right? You can give keyboard. Now एक तो हमारा हो गया. We have used this. Now we can beautify it. How to beautify it? Let us go and format your visuals. X-axis, yes, X-axis there. It is continuous. Let us do the categorical. देखो categorical देने से क्या हो रहा है? It is giving us the every category. And if I take it continuous, it skips few things. But more or less things are the same.
Okay.
Now there is another thing. Secondary y-axis we don't need because we don't have secondary y-axis. Now x-axis, there is in y-axis what is there? There is minimum, there is maximum. ठीक है? And there is values. Values means what? These small dots. So for our sake, we will keep this as 12. Correct? देखो बढ़ गया ये. Now there is title also present. What should we do this title? Title देंगे अपन क्या देंगे बताओ? Title क्या दे सकते हैं इसका? Y axis का.
टाइटल इसका दे सकते हैं कि व्यू बाय ईयर. आई डोंट नो.
नहीं ये तो टाइटल व्यू मैं बोल रहा हूँ. Y axis का टाइटल. What should we give for y axis? क्या नाम दे y axis का?
पता नहीं मतलब.
Line
इसे
item
अरे इसमें बता दो इसमें.
value. ठीक है. And I will use Arial. And I will use 14. Right? अभी थोड़ा क्लियर दिख रहा. Line item below this. Similarly, I will do this for x-axis. X-axis में values में क्या देंगे? हम लोग देंगे 14. And title में क्या रहेगा? Title में year है. Okay, year is good. And I will give as 14. Now these things are pretty much clear. एक हो गया view. Now next, what can we give? एक तो इसका ये हो गया. Sum of line item view हो गया. ठीक है. Line item view का sum हो गया. Next, what can we give? We check in our data. There is shipping mode is there. Product group is there. Sub classification is there. Now let us try one thing. We are trying this line and clustered column chart. We are trying to bring two things over here. This similar fashion. Now, for our x-axis, we will use same thing. That is my difference. Not difference. We will see the year. Okay. Now, for column, what can be my column? Let us try one thing. We can use this difference in delivery. Oh
ये
wow.
उल्टा हो गया, तो उल्टा हो गया.
Yeah, it is not looking that good.
Yeah, absolutely. Like how it is coming, like
Yes.
the
What it
point.
is showing that there is not much granularity. And if I go by granular, see, this is when I go into granularity, it will give us the clear picture. Why it is coming as such? Because in my Power BI data, when I do the by year, it is getting the what can I say? It is taking the average. So as a result, a few days ago, I did tell you right with the example how outlier works. What is outlier? Remember,
Outlier,
Outlier.
Saurabh.
outlier means if you suppose if remember things. Suppose in your house किसी का 6 फीट हाइट है और बाकी सबका हाइट अगर 5 फीट में है.
Exactly. Okay, okay. Got
रिमेम्बर
it, got
जॉनी
it.
दैट
Yes,
थिंग.
yes.
हाँ 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 हाँ, right.
तो यहाँ पे भी वही हो रहा है. यहाँ पे एक दो डिलीवरी पूरा नेगेटिव में है तो पॉजिटिव वाले को भी खींच के नेगेटिव में
Mm-hmm.
दिखा दे रहे हैं एवरेज में.
Average, yeah, yeah.
We will try something else. Just give me one moment. I need to charge this. Guys, another thing. How do you? I just wanted to get a feedback from you and be very specific and be very open about it. How do you like the pace of the class? You want this to be bit faster, bit slower, or it is going good as per we are doing.
Yeah, I think as per we are doing, it is going good. We don't need to go faster or like slower, because then we will not understand, and we will not uh, have time to practice, and we will not know anything, right? So instead of that, I think whatever we are doing, it is fine. But as like uh, as mentioned earlier, I would
Mhm.
need this recording. I don't know, is Ismail actually need or not. I would
बस
need
अब I
because
won't need it. लास्ट वाला तो सारा ये हो गया ना.
क्या क्या.
Okay, okay, yeah. See,
लास्ट वाला हाँ, पूरा चला
see,
गया ना, लास्ट
okay,
रिकॉर्डिंग
okay, okay.
सारे.
Okay, so yeah, so what you guys do? Uh, I will give you from my end the whatever I am giving you. That thing will not stay for a while. Okay. So what I suggest, have some time, have find some time. I know that you are all especially Johnny, you are busy with your work, but the
Mm.
whole purpose of this class we are doing it to change your stream, correct? So you
Mm-hmm.
have to find some time.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah. So let me tell you my story. When I was in Genpact, I was in night shift. Okay.
Okay.
So I was in night shift. I was supporting for few month in the for the US client.
Okay.
So my shift starts from 5 o'clock
Mm-hmm.
and it ends around 2:30.
Okay. Okay.
My shift ends at 2:30. It is by name, but I have to do some reporting work as well.
Okay.
Okay, and after doing long night shift, reporting work is like hell. Okay, guys,
Right. Yeah.
it is a literally a hell.
Uh,
So what happened? Like I wanted to. I am very much. I was very much. What can I say? I was very much problem. Very much in distress doing night
mm.
shift. So within the 3 months of joining Genpact, I decided to pursue this data science.
Mm.
So they took an exam in Genpact. I passed that exam, and I used to do class before 5 o'clock. I used to do class from 3 o'clock.
Okay.
3 o'clock to 5 o'clock, continue class, and then afterwards continue office.
Okay. Okay.
And when my shift ended at 2:30 or 3 o'clock, I used to get up by 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock, and from 10 or 11 o'clock to the to 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock, I used to do the practice
Okay. Okay.
every day.
Uh-huh.
So that's how I can change my path,
Okay.
and I'm sure you guys also can change your path. It's just that you
Absolutely,
have
sir.
to you is just that you have to give your 100% and you have to just practice it out. And whatever you guys practice, see in my class we will do project by project. Why I'm giving you this approach? Because with this approach you will get to know how project is going, how a real project looks like. First of all, we created a page of late delivery analysis. Now we are creating the overview page. So this is the overview page. From here we will go into other places. Here comes the landing page. Landing page also we need. Okay. So these are the things that we will do. And after this will be our first project. After this first project, we will see one by one
Uh-huh.
smaller things like how to do the data modeling, what is meant by data modeling, and what are the things that we need to remember while preparing while handling dashboard or power bi files, and
Mm-hmm.
what are the different type of things that we need.
Mm-hmm. Got it.
Okay,
So,
so those are the things that we need. Yeah, tell me.
so Rabba, I have a question. So, suppose like whatever we are learning here, those
Mm-hmm.
stuff only. I actually do practice in my free time. Apart from that, as I said, like previously, I was like taking the training from Udemy, and
Yes,
that
yes.
also I'm actually learning. Okay, so can you please suggest, like, apart from this, like, we have anything to prepare? The thing
No,
is,
no, 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 nothing.
we actually have 5 days of gap, right? So in that 5 days, I don't know, like, what else I have to
Okay, so
prepare.
I did send you a data set, right?
You have sent.
In WhatsApp, can you guys please check? I have sent you a data set,
Yes, yes, sir.
right?
Okay.
So this data set, it is something. This data set, it is something that we need to check. Okay, so you guys please check this thing. Uh, we need to do this thing. You guys practice it out. Okay, you guys do practice it out, and you have as well. You have some Excel classes going as well, right? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Amlan is taking. Even he
Yeah,
has
so
given
Excel
some.
class also you have Excel. You guys also you try you hands out in Excel. I have given you the Amazon sales report. Similar to this, I have given you. I have taught you how to create the this bar graph, this horizontal bar, this pie chart, and this table. Okay. Now we will see the column chart. Okay. So this is the first time we will do the column chart. Now, in
Okay.
column chart, I will use the freight chart. There is one thing as freight cost. This is actually numeric data, but it is in textual data. I have to then change this in decimal number. We can't automatically convert the column to decimal number type. Why it is? See, why it is CDN148. What is DN148? DSN, okay. CDN148, CDN148. Now, why it is saying what is okay, any which ways. So this is a numeric column. So line item pack price. This is also a decimal number. Unit price. This is again a decimal number. Weight in kilogram. I don't want this thing. Let us try to do one thing. Okay, we will have to do some cleaning here. Can you see, guys? This is weight in kilogram. What is this? CDN. This. What is this? This is not good. This is not a great uh, thing to hear. So this is dosage. Dosage is also there. Brand is also there. Generic there. Molecule test type is also there. Item description is also there. Vendor is also there. Okay, vendor. Sub classification. Product grouped. Okay. So now we will bring one thing. We will bring count of product. So this is the product. That means what? Can you see?
Hmm.
This is similar to this my chart. This similar to this chart.
Right, right. So the which chart we are using here? Column chart, right?
Column chart. So the
Okay.
second line, fifth chart. Now
Okay.
this is not giving me some clear picture. Well, like what are the products? So what I do, I will do this
After,
legend.
yeah.
Uh-huh.
In legend, it is giving me something. Okay, ARV is the ARV is the what can I say? The count of ARV is very much. Okay, so that's why it is showing me like this. Let us have this. Now it is giving me some idea. Can you see what is this?
Hmm.
So we have ACT and this ANTM and ARV. These are the most HRDT. Okay, HRDT are the most most heavily influenced product group. Okay, and the rest we cannot see. These are there. ACT is there, but it is very negligible. Okay, it is going. Can you see when I click on ACT? It is going only in Nigeria.
Okay.
Let us select this. Okay, these are not very much. MRDT only two countries. Now, if I click on HRDT, many countries are there, and ARV, many more countries are there. So, can we say that in our data, this ACT only ARV and HRDT is important? These things are not important much.
Correct.
Now, let us do one thing. We will in product group we will select only ARV and HRDT. Now let us now first I knew this. Now let us see how difference in delivery will look like. Okay. How to interpret this? See, now again it is giving us the wrong picture because everything is below zero. So this difference in delivery will not work over here. Now, how can we give more to this? How can we give more information to this? We can give information by giving data level.
Correct, correct. Yes, that only I was referring.
Yeah,
The data
giving
level,
data level.
and also we have to just keep it as bold.
Yes, nice, bold.
And yeah, then I think it's fine.
So again, this product group, this count, what it is showing.
Yeah, we have to just convert into percentage, right?
Great.
Percentage.
We have to convert into percentage. Now, when I give this a percentage, how it is coming? How we are seeing this percentage? That means in 2012, what is this percentage?
2012, the percentage was 9.86.
But how we are getting this? मतलब यहाँ पे क्या आ रहा है? Do we get anything concrete? Why I am not saying this 100%, 90%? ऐसा क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? Why it is like that? In that
हाँ, मतलब
sense,
क्योंकि क्योंकि कि मतलब वहाँ पे 15% तक सेट किया है ना, इसलिए.
ठीक है 15% तक ट्राई किया है. यहाँ पे सपोज सपोज ये 2008 का पकड़ लेते हैं, एट
Hmm.
पॉइंट वन टू एंड 2.56, तो 100 कहाँ गया? वेर इज 100?
Still there are
हाँ.
left out items, right? Products. This it's just depicting ARV and HRDT.
let us let us bring everything else over here. Still you are seeing, where is 100? So is it giving us a clear picture? That's what I'm taking.
No, no.
It is not give us a clear picture. It is not giving us a clear picture. So this my column chart will not work. Let us try 100% stack column chart. Is it giving us a clear picture? 84.32 plus 15.68. Now, is it giving us a clear picture?
So from like my point of view, I think yes, but I need to understand from you that what you are anticipating.
Okay, my anticipation is that, suppose, how to interpret it?
Okay.
See, suppose we have these two major dominant group. These two group are majorly dominant. Okay.
Okay.
Now, how these two groups are? What are the percentage? Okay,
Okay.
of these two groups year by year.
Okay.
Year
Okay.
by year, what are the percentage of this group?
Okay.
We have how many year? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 years of data, and in my 10 years, how ARV and HRDT is behaving.
Okay. Got it, Saurabh.
Got it? So
Yeah.
these are the things that they are behaving. So so what can we say? Can we not say that ARV previously in 2006 it was very less, and from 2007 onwards it is the things are going up and up only.
Yeah, yeah, that we actually can say the about it.
Yes, yes, guys.
Yeah.
Right. Now let us more beautify this. Which bar did I use? This is the 100% stack column chart. When we use this, we use this to get the percentage of anything,
Hmm.
to get the percentage of
Hmm.
this thing, whatever the percentage. Suppose डेली तुम खाना खा रहे हो, ठीक है?
Hmm.
डेली तुम खाना खा रहे हो, खाना में
Hmm.
तुम चावल डाल ले रहे हो, साथ में सब्जी ले रहे हो.
Hmm.
Now, if you want to see your intake every day, कि कैसे कैसे करूंगा मैं मेरा खाना कैसा जा रहा है, there you can get this view कि मेरा 20% चावल है, 20% दाल है, 30% वाटर है, 40% ऐसा है. You are getting a hang what I am trying to say here?
Yes, Saurabh.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice. Now, one thing I will teach you guys. This is very very important. Not many knows how to do this. Can you see there is data level? There is these data levels can be shown, enlarge the visual or decrease the
Hmm.
data.
Yeah, it is giving
Correct.
error. Hmm.
Error. मतलब क्या है? If you this is 9 only, but we cannot see the data levels. If I 12 not coming.
Hmm.
If I do 14 not coming.
Hmm.
Right?
Hmm.
Then what we do in general, We
Okay.
go over properties,
Mm.
we go over advanced option, and when this responsive, we will do this off. Now let us try it. Okay, I think this things is very much यही बहुत छोटा है भाई, इसलिए ऐसा हो रहा है.
Mm.
Okay, so let us try this again. Responsive, maintain layer order. Now I will try to give you this data level. Not all this area, horizontal, vertical, position for HRDT, position inside base, inside center. Okay. So यहाँ पे if you do this, then only we can see. But since this visual is very much compact, it is not giving us the clear picture. So let us take as 10. आ गया ना, 10 में आ गया. Now we will give this as white. Same for this ARV, we will give this as white. Right now we will change as per our theme. So what was our theme? This. It is looking nice now.
Yes, yes.
The color is very soothing, right?
Mm. Yeah, it's looking good.
So this coloring part we will get this later.
Sure.
Coloring part is something that we have to learn very accurately. So we will try this later. So first of all, this is
What's there to learn accurately, Saurabh? That's coloring.
no coloring is very much UI UX is a different field together. There are something as primary color. There is
Mm-hmm.
something as what can I say?
Secondary and tertiary colors.
Secondary color is there, but there is
Mm-hmm.
something like what can I say? Actionable color.
Okay.
Action. Action means meaning what? Like this. This is action. Like
Mm-hmm.
if you give some link, that is action.
Okay.
Okay, so color combination and color platelet is a different field altogether. Now let us give this a proper title. The title should be product group trend, and we will keep this on middle. We will give this as Arial black. Same goes for this. This will be line item. This will be sales by year. Arial black middle, right? Now let us check what more two we can give. There is product group, there is sub classification. Acha. Sub classification also there. So let us check that as well. Same thing we can do. Same thing we can get in formatting. Now instead of this product group, I will take sub classification. And this is how many? One, two, three, four. Four pellets. Let us check some pellets. These pellets are looking good.
Uh,
So the majority I will give this pellet.
हाँ ओ
Not that one. I think this is looking good here.
सबसे
This is looking good.
राम किलो खाई से करिए नहीं
so color part, I think you should take one class. Okay.
Yeah, color part we
Like
will have a clear cut. We will have a
हाँ ये सब
clear cut
yeah.
class.
Sure.
There we will learn many things about this color palettes.
Sure.
And color palette is something that we have to get it very right.
Uh,
So this
उतना
color.
इम्पोर्टेंट है क्या सौरभ वो कलर पार्ट्स?
Yes. You guys don't
obviously.
know. Color is
Obviously.
the color is the main bread art है तुम्हारा ये इसका
और भी है क्या?
पावर बीआई का.
मैं
Power
तो
BI बोलो और मतलब किसी भी like suppose if you are presenting to any stakeholders, leaders or someone, so that should be look attractive. Okay, so suppose if like you are not aware about the color, and if you are presenting the report with the color and the dashboard or like report is not looking good, okay, so that will not be good, right? So
ओके.
we should know the color thing, isn't it, Saurabh?
Yes, color palette is very much essential. तुम्हारा पूरा report ठीक है. See, Power BI dashboard building there are stages. First stage, get your data right or start something visual. Okay. First stage complete हो गया. Then comes the hardest part. That is uh, page links should be do okay. And the last part is the color coding and the look and feel should be very precise.
ओके.
This that is very much important because everything should mean something. It should be soothing to your eyes because you are building something very beautiful and it should look beautiful. You cannot just take a contrasting lines, a contrasting thing and do this kind of thing. You have to be very accurate.
ओके. मैं तो ऐसे ही डाल रहा था कलर सब तक लाल पीला
No,
जो
no, no,
भी.
no, no. It is
नहीं,
very
उसमें से
much
नहीं होगा
important.
इसमें.
नहीं सच्ची में इतने दिन मैंने वो किया ना सब उसमें तो ऐसे ही लाल पीला जो भी मन करता था डाल रहा
No. It is very much very important thing.
था. इसीलिए मैंने आप कलर बोले ना तो मेरे को इतना क्या इम्पोर्टेंट कलर डाउट है.
Color is very much important, guys. Now let us try one thing. Let us try clustered column chart. Sorry, not this. Let us try one clustered column chart. And we will try to get the what is this? The fulfillment via. And how we are doing this? We are doing it the delivery to client date based on the delivery to client date. Fulfillment via y-axis.
अच्छा, you guys like had your lunch?
No,
Saurabh,
no. Actually, I will have. Okay. So yeah, I think today's class it's getting dragged. Just a second. We will finish this thing, and we
sure,
will close our today's class. Okay.
sure, sir.
It is not looking nice.
बाय
I
कोड
guess. Let us check this thing again. So, so you guys are understanding, right? What we are trying to get here.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
I am trying to get here the shipping mode. Now and legend, I will do the stop center. Right now for the color palette. For same goes for here. Let us try something very light color or warm color, not white, light, or take some vintage. Yeah, this color looks good. Hmm. AR is the most dominant one. Okay, AI is the most dominant one, and truck is getting more and more dominant here. Okay, so that is our overview page, right? Today we finished our overview page and go through this. Okay, go through this and just to for tomorrow. If you have any question, just come up with your questions.
Sure, Saurabh.
Okay.
So, Saurabh, we would need the previous class recording and this class recording so we can practice it. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Apart from this, I would like to know for PL 300 certification in Power
Mm-hmm.
BI.
Mm-hmm.
So it is like is easy to like crack or how is it, sir?
See, any certification it is very hard, but it is not that kind of hard that you cannot just crack. You will able to crack, and in time
Okay.
you can do it.
Which one, Johnny? Which one?
PL
PL
300.
300.
And let me tell you, if your company is providing you with the kind of opportunity that they are paying, then only it is okay. Otherwise, it is not worth it.
Uh, no, see, if like you have certification, then it will give added advantage, Ismail.
Okay. No, कौन सा सर्टिफिकेट जॉनी क्या बोला?
PL
PL
300.
300.
ये दो जने एक साथ ढूंढ रहे हैं आप लोग.
Okay, guys. So yeah, for today, that's it.
Sir, what about this one, Python?
Python. That is
Yeah.
something that you guys have to decide,
Mm-hmm.
and if we
Like,
go
what's
in
your plans? Like, do you have some plans so that if you discuss, then we.
Yes, I have plan, but it's up to you guys or a few people. If they want to join, then only I will do in Python, because Python we have to go from very basic, so
Yeah.
that you guys don't know, so that takes some time.
Okay.
Okay, and we will try some community classes as well, or community classes in the sense we will try to do some practice.
Okay.
Okay, community class practice, the like every day sometime we will find some time, and in those time we will try to do the Python coding, all of us, all together, and yeah, that's it. So that our hands will be very fast. So whenever anyone asks you, you can answer it very quickly. And in Python, there are several things for interview, and we will do the interview preparation as well. So that's a long journey. So that part will come later. If you want, we can do it. And before that, we have to uh, clear or cover this Power BI first.
Yes.
Okay. So Power BI, this course we have to clear first,
Finish it.
and you guys have you guys. Okay, so we have to first prepare you for any few interviews so that you can give the interview. Okay, we
सौरभ,
have
वो
to.
जनपैक में डाला मैंने, और
Mhm,
बजाज को ही रेफर करने बोला। ओपनिंग है दोनों जगह, बैंगलोर में और उसमें। और वो लोग
mhm,
जो रिक्वायरमेंट मांग रहा था, मोस्टली लाइक दे आर लुकिंग फॉर पावर बीआई एंड आई मीन दिस वन एक्सेल, एडवांस एक्सेल, ऑल द थिंग्स,
mhm.
मैक्रोज, एडिटिंग, वीबीए। स्पेसिफिकली
VBA
मेंशन किया।
nobody uses. VBA nobody uses.
पता
Even
नहीं
Genpact
पर
people don't
डाला था,
uses.
पता नहीं पर डाला था उन लोगों ने। वीवे
Mhm,
मैक्रोस तो डाला था। मैंने उसको वजाज को रेफर करने बोला, वो लोग, उसने वो रेफर किया मेरे को। वो लोग वापस
mhm.
रीवेरिफिकेशन के लिए मेल भेजा है। अभी आमलन से बात करके मैं मेल